Sometimes your heart can't afford to be just friends. To escape the friend zone,
Hello, Friendzone. I'm in.
you must first realize that all relationships involve negotiation,
I'm negotiating.
and you are attempting to renegotiate the current exchange.
Want to renegotiate?
Essentially, you want more from the other person.
But I want something more.
Most likely, you are already giving too much, and what you really want is for them to balance the scales. Fortunately, there are a few principles that do indeed balance the scales. Using those principles, we can devise a few steps to get you out of the friend zone.
Now listen very carefully.
Be less interested. The relationship is already imbalanced because you value it more than the other person. Take a step back. Being needy is no way to negotiate.
I'm a very needy person.
Desperate people end up with what others give them, not what they want. So be less interested and ready to walk away if you don't get the relationship you want.
Don't walk away from me!
Those who are more willing to walk away have the power to guide the relationship. Make yourself scarce. Spend some time away from your friend and do less for them.
Spend some time alone.
If they truly appreciate you, then your absence will make them miss you and want you more.
I miss you. I miss you so much.
This is the principle of scarcity, where people value something more when it is rare or taken away from them. When you are no longer around as much or tending to their needs, they will most likely feel the loss. This may increase their desire for you and their willingness to meet your needs back. If it doesn't, then they are just not that into you.
She's just not that into you.
In that case,
Perhaps you should find another friend.
to create some competition, go out and make some other friends of the sex you are attracted to.
Well, it's always nice to make new friends.
Broaden your social network, then talk about these new friends with the friend you desire.
I've made some new friends.
Competition and a little jealousy are another great way to develop scarcity. People value more what they think they might lose. If you are busy with other people, you might just find your friend a bit more eager and motivated for your time and attention.
Very eager to meet you.
If you don't see any jealousy, though, then they might not want to be more than friends.
Just want us to be friends.
In that case, set your sights on someone new, get them to invest, ask your friend to do things for you.
Can you please just do this? For me.
Contrary to popular belief, people like you more when they do favors for you,
A favor? A favor?
rather than when you do the favor for them. This is called the Ben Franklin effect.
The sexy Mr. Benjamin Franklin.
Thank you for that introduction, Mr. Scott.
The more they invest in the relationship, the more you will mean to them. So stop doing favors and start asking for them. Get them to give you a ride, study with you, fix something, etc. Be rewarding. Don't forget to be grateful and reward your friend when they behave as you desire.
Accept it. Be grateful for what you got.
After they are good to you, remember to be good to them back. Always remember to keep an environment of mutual gratitude flowing too. Taking it from there. From those first steps, it is a matter of changing the actual relationship, either by asking the question directly or indirectly. Perhaps you'd like to indirectly ask them out on a real date.
Are you asking me out on a date?
Maybe you'd prefer the direct approach.
Will you go out on a date with me?
Or perhaps a conversation is more your way. In any case, find a way to either directly or indirectly ask for what you want. Conclusion. It is possible to dig out of an uneven, friend zone exchange with a little persuasion and influence. Just remember to focus on your own worth. Don't be desperate.
Don't be desperate, just be cool.
And be willing to walk away. Allow some space for the other person to miss you.
I missed you so much.
Make some friends outside of that friendship. Finally, let that friend invest in you and reward them for it. If they truly value you in their life, then they will be much more likely to take the relationship to the next level.
Taking things to the next level.
If they don't, you already have some new friends, your self-respect, and one foot out the door. If you enjoyed this, you can like, subscribe, and hype the video. Thank you for watching.